I got the lemon pepper chicken. He's got his chicken he got lemon in his booty. Now what I do is I take the lemon and crush it and put all the lemon inside the chicken. Okay? Alright, that's how you do it, man. Put the lemon juice right inside that chicken, man. Yep, put that lemon juice right in there, brother. It's good, boy. Good boy. Like that, man, please. You'll see. Then you put the grapeseed oil on there. It's gonna be beautiful, man. Look at that, man. Look at that, man. I'm gonna put this bad boy in. Okay. Lemon pepper. Lemon pepper, baby. Okay. Look at that, man. Oh, put this here on there. On top. Okay. That just keep it from singeing too fast. But sometimes they will do that. They will just singe a little bit fast. And you just set some foil up there like that, you know. And then you check it. Alright. Ah! Beautiful. There you go. I'm going to leave it alone, baby. Okay? I'm going to leave it alone. She in there. Look at that. She in there, baby. Okay. 350. I'm out.